Hi, in today's video we are going to be looking at Peer2Profit, and this is a site I looked at a little while ago, and we're going to be actually doing a payment proof live as you watch. So make sure you stay tuned right to the very end to actually watch me do that, and then you're going to also find out exactly whether it is really worth your time with Peer2Profit. Okay, so let's jump over to the desktop. We're going to have a quick resume of what Peer2Profit is. So if you're new to the video, new to my channel, we'll go through that first. And then at the end of the video, we will then, if you stay tuned, we'll show you how you're going to be able to withdraw your earnings. Okay, so without further ado, let's hook over to the desktop and start going through Peer2Profit. Okay, so as you can see, we've come on to the Peer2Profit website, okay, which is peer2profit.io. And as you can see here, it says share your traffic and profit on it. Okay, and this is traffic from your internet. Okay, so it's your excess internet that you'll be actually selling off to Peer2Profit, to then they can obviously sell it on to businesses and that sort of thing. Now don't panic, they don't get hold of any of your details or anything like that. It's totally legit, totally safe. You haven't got to worry about anything like that. Now what I'll do, I'll put a link in the description below here, which means you can obviously sign up and it will take you through to this page where you can actually sign up for Peer2Profit. But first of all, let's just whiz through exactly what Peer2Profit is and what you can expect. As you can see here, your average monthly and yearly payment is going to be $8.33 and about $100 per year, which doesn't sound a lot. And I know you're obviously thinking, well, that's not going to get me much money. There is other ways that you can obviously increase this, and we're going to go through that later in the video. But remember, this is once you set it up, is a totally passive income, guys. So all you're doing is sharing your excess internet, so that's obviously internet that you're not actually using, so you might as well be getting that extra $8, £5 per month. So basically means is you're actually paying less in theory for your internet. Now you can obviously connect it onto various different devices, and you can have more devices on each IP address. Okay, as you can see here, you can have you and your friend, and you can all be working off of the same server. And then obviously you can refer other friends as well. And again, like I say, we will go into that very shortly. Payment system. Now they do pay out in cash, and you can use certain Payeer and web money, those sort of things, but they do also do cryptocurrency, so Bitcoin and Litecoin and all sorts in there. So again, it's quite flexible. If you wanted to build up your portfolio of cryptocurrencies, you can do that, or if you wanted to cash out, you can do that too. So like I say, 3 simple steps that you need to take. You basically just sign up and you share your extra bandwidth with those who really need it. Okay, and you then get paid per gigabyte, and then you can obviously you can extend your referral network and generate a larger profit as they pay you for the bandwidth. What you've basically got to do is once you receive a referral link, and I've got my referral link in the description below here, so that is all you need, and you just install it on your application. That could either be your PC, your smartphone, or any other mobile device as well. And you sign up and view your personal account, and it monitors users subscribing to your channel and using the extra bandwidth, and you receive money for each gigabyte that you actually to your electronic wallet. And again, you can share referrals with others, and you can earn actually more as well, which means that you can actually earn passively even on their earnings as well. So without further ado, let's dive into the back of Peer2Profit, show you my dashboard, and hopefully we're going to show you live how you can go and actually pull out some of your earnings. Okay, so let's go and crack on and do that right now. Okay, so as you can see, we have come into my dashboard, and I've got about $7 in there. And as you can see here, this is my referral link. I say that will be down below, and your referral code is there. And it says here, you will receive 50% of the income of anybody else on your team. So if you have refer 20 people for argument's sake, and they obviously start using it and earn money, you will get 50% of all their income too. 50% is a huge amount. As it says here, expected income from one device is about $2 to $15 per month, depending on location. And it will depend obviously on the country, the city, the network type, loads of different things. Obviously it depends whether you're actually online a lot of the time, because obviously if you're not online, then it can't obviously actually work. So it says download and install here. So once you get to your dashboard, you just click on the download to install. And as you can see, I've downloaded for the Windows. So I've got mine running on Windows. You could do it on Google Play as well. At the moment, I don't think it is available on Apple. Just trying to have a look. You've got a Mac here, so you can actually do it on Mac, but not on the mobile by the looks of it. And like I say, there are loads of different downloads here you've got as well that you could use. So have a look at those, and hopefully one of those will suit. But you want to download it onto as many devices as you can, because obviously you'll just use, especially if your internet is obviously unlimited bandwidth. So if we go back to my dashboard, and like I say, as you see here, we've got a total of $7.16. And I actually done my first video on Peer2Profit a few months ago. So we've scrolled down here. This is it. So 2 months ago, we actually done this video here, and I literally had only just signed up for that then. So I didn't have any money in there at all. So as you can see, in 2 months, just working on its on the background, doing not a lot, it's actually earned me over $3.50 per month, which is actually more than what it says. It says you could expect income from one device about $2 to $15 a month. So we're on the lower end of that, and I think that's what you've got to aim for, really. But again, like I say, this is totally passive income, so you really haven't got to do anything apart from just download it and make sure it's operational, and then leave it in the background to do its stuff. We obviously want to try and show you how easy it is to pay out here. So if we click on the button here which says order payout, and as you can see here, the e-wallets are down here. Okay, so we've got various different e-wallets that we can actually use, and some of them obviously have got different minimum and maximum that you can actually pull out. So like Bitcoin is a minimum of $300, but you have got Bitcoin Cash here, which is a minimum of $6. And Litecoin, Ripple, Doge, Ethereum again is $230. But some of these others are Tether. You've got there, this is $10. You've also got some Payoneer, Perfect Money, and you can pay out cash for a minimum of $2 worth, okay, and that goes up to a maximum of 200. So we're going to find out today. We're going to actually try and pull out some Bitcoin Cash here. And what you will need is somewhere to actually pull out that money to. And as it says here, this gives you different wallets that you can actually recommend. And we've got some here: Binance, Coinbase, and Electrium and Trust. Now, I use Coinbase, and I find that's pretty good. And you can also do earning with Coinbase as well. They do various different videos that you can actually learn about cryptocurrency and earn money at the same time. So that's why I would always recommend Coinbase above any others. And you can obviously check out, I've done a video about Coinbase, so check out the link above here for my video on Coinbase. So what we need to do, we need to obviously go and check out. So we need to just click on the Bitcoin Cash. So Bitcoin Cash is clicked, so it actually comes down here. So we want Bitcoin Cash itself, and we want a Bitcoin Cash address. Okay, so if I go over to my Coinbase, okay, so from here we just literally want to go on send and receive. I'll just load up. We want to receive, obviously, and the actual thing we want to actually use, we don't want to use Bitcoin itself because we haven't got that enough in there. But if we scroll down, we should find Bitcoin Cash. So there is the Bitcoin Cash. That should then give me an address here. So if we use that address, just copy that, go across to the box here and pop that in the box, and then literally just do order payout. Okay, it says here cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible. We kindly ask you to double check and enter the data before sending. We are going to be okay. We'll double check that, but that's all okay. So data is okay to send. We have sent a security code for withdrawing the funds to my email. So that I just need to go and grab that security code. Okay, there's my security code. Okay, it tells me how much I'm withdrawing, and there is the security code there. So I just copy that, and then we go back to Peer2Profit, put in the code, and then withdraw funds. Okay, and that says successfully completed. Okay, and obviously it says here it's payout is successfully completed as well. And it said it should be within your wallet within an hour. But that's as easy as it comes, guys. It really is that simple. Obviously, I've now got a balance of 0 again, and this will obviously carry on, obviously then working in the background, and then in a couple of months' time, I can then withdraw even more money, hopefully, and again, I can do it by Bitcoin, or I can do cash, whichever I prefer. So Peer2Profit, is it worth doing? Well, yes, it is, because at the end of the day, it's working passively in the background. Once you set it up, like I say, there is actually nothing you have to do. So you're actually just going to earn money passively. And even if it is only a few dollars a month, hey, you might as well have that. Let's face it, if you had 100 passive income streams like that, yeah, you could be earning quite a few $100 from all of them put together. Okay, so I was just finishing off the actual video, and I've actually received an email straight into my account, and as you can see here, it says Coinbase has literally, you just received 5.52 British pounds, which is equivalent to the $7 odd in the thing. And it also says here it could take up to 6 network confirmations before you can before your Bitcoin Cash is available to trade. With Coinbase, it is an actual trading platform, so obviously you can, once you've got stuff in there, you can obviously trade it, and you can obviously increase or decrease your amounts you've got in there. But as you can see, very, very quickly, easy went through, and so in just a few minutes, and it's then obviously then going to be available very shortly to me. Totally legit way to obviously go and earn money or cryptocurrency from your excess internet. Okay, trust you found that useful, interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch this video next. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Hit the notification bell and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.